I am Cy Rodriguez with Things Very Good, and today we're going to be showing you how to replace your hood support struts for an Acura MDX 2004. It's probably going to be very similar for other models of Acura MDXs. You can find them where I got mine, which I did save a lot of money on comparing to what I could get them at the local AutoZone for. So that's good to know. If I can do this, I'm pretty sure you can because I've never done it before. So let's go ahead and take a look really quick. We're just going to be replacing these. As you can see here, mine don't work because they don't hold the hood up. So we're going to go ahead and take this apart, take off the old ones and put on the new ones. It's going to be very simple. Here we go. You're just going to need a screwdriver or a very similar tool. This is like a screwdriver top. As you can see here, all I've did is loosen this piece right here, which I'm about to pull out now. Part one removed. Same thing on the bottom. So you can see what I've did is I just put this screwdriver top in here, popped this out like this, and then it comes loose. So we've got one loose. Let's go ahead and replace it with the new one. You can see they have the same clips on here. So as you can see, when we put it in, we didn't have to loosen the clips like we did when we took them apart. So we didn't have to loosen this little clip right here. Or on the other side, we just put it in, it snaps into place. And it looks like it's holding even with one, so let's go ahead and remove the other, and we're going to replace it as well. One arm loose. Came loose pretty easy. And just in case it wasn't clear before, all we did with the arms that were on is we just basically took a screwdriver with this little clip, loosened the clip on both sides, and then just pulled it out. And to put them back in, all we have to do is just snap it back in. And you can see these are attached now. Let's see how it closes. And there we go. Just going to open it up again. And whew, so awesome. No more having the hood fall out on your head if your prop falls out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it helps you to change the hood strut supports on your vehicle. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share this video if you liked it. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate.